still in the lounge. We are boarding now. I'm in the lift.
I know.
Our bag just hit the wall.
Right.
We are boarding. I'm so excited. Here is our EasyJet Airbus A319. Today we are in standard economy. We are finding our seats. This is quite busy for a flight at 8:45. I'm in the seat. My cousin is in front of me. Legroom is quite nice for economy.
We'd like to extend a special welcome to the travel person to our EasyJet holiday system. My name is Arabia, cabin manager with me at the front. The office at the
I guess I just get a magazine with a safety card I won't read. With a tray table. I got myself some gummy things before I take off. It looks like that. Yum. That's good. This is the fruit flavor.